PolySto is a company specialized in food-safe construction materials. Walls, ceilings, curbs, accessories. We're active in 100 countries worldwide. Our main customers are food industry, clean room, pharmaceutical industry, supermarkets. That's PolySto. So what makes PolySto products so unique, the walls, the ceilings and the curbs? They are made from very durable, non-corrosive and easy to clean materials. So the structure is very special to clean, to resist impacts also. As you can see here behind me, there's a lot of impacts on the walls and the ceilings. If you would use materials like steel, you will have impacts, they will start to damage, you will have corrosion, and that's everything that we don't want in a food factory. PolySto is as well a specialist in renovation solution as construction solution. Behind me, this factory was a 30-year-old meat factory that we revamped in a complete new high-care food processing facility. So we have products that are more specialized for renovation solutions, others are more for new construction solutions. So with PolySto you can have the total solution for your facilities, your hygienic facilities. We have a unique solution for problems with joints, with deteriorating joints, that's HygiSeal. HygiSeal is a chemical welding of joints because in the past there were many problems with fungus, with deteriorated joints where filth and humidity gets in. It's a solution that we worked on for many years and that is now applied already for some time. It's very durable, it's very hygienic, it's very easy to clean and it's maintenance free. CleanRock is PolySto's patented core material for the curbs. It's a mixture of polyester and quartz. It's water resistant, it's chemical resistant, it's very easy to clean. It's a prefab solution, which means you can very quick and easily install it, transport it to anywhere in the world. That's CleanRock.
Well, as Compass Group Belgium, we chose PolySto Group as one of our strategic partners. Compass Group worldwide is one of the leaders in the food service business, delivering millions of people with healthy meals every day. We are active in 44 countries and in Belgium as well. We are the market leader with an interesting combination between event catering and business catering in all its aspects. A passion for quality, and that's the reason that we chose PolySto Group to refurbish this site here in Eke to a high standard of food safety and hygiene. A very local collaboration here in Eke that could well grow into a global collaboration in the future with Compass.
Why is PolySto located at Lokeren in Belgium? It's because it's very close to two major ports, Antwerp and Rotterdam, which is for us very important for the export. Also on two crossways of the two biggest highways in Europe, the E17 and the E40, which are crossing the European continent. It's also very close to cities as Ghent, Antwerp for labor. There's a lot of people that live and work there. So for us, it's really the perfect location.
This is how a wall in the food industry looks like after a few years. If it has been built with the PolySto FRP solution, it looks like this and for many years after. This FRP of PolySto is very highly corrosion resistant. It has a very high impact strength and it is very easy to clean. In combination with our skirtings or our CleanRock curbs and with the HygiSeal hygienic sealant, it's a perfect solution for your hygienic construction project.